Today I am reviewing Liene PixCut S1 color sticker printer and cutting machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Liene PixCut S1 is not just another sticker printer. It's an all-in-one creative powerhouse designed for hobbyists, artists, small business owners, and anyone who loves making custom stickers and labels. If you've ever wished you could go from an idea to a finished sticker without complicated setups or multiple devices, the PixCut S1 is the product you've been waiting for. First, let's talk about convenience. The PixCut S1 combines high-resolution photo printing and precision cutting into a single, compact device. That means no separate cutter, no switching between machines. You simply load your media, connect via Bluetooth, and let the PixCut S1 do the work. This is perfect for people who want a streamlined process without sacrificing quality. The device is controlled through a user-friendly app on your smartphone, and within just about 2 minutes, you can have your custom sticker ready. That speed and simplicity make it a game-changer for creative projects. One of the standout features of the PixCut S1 is its AI-powered image extraction. This is where the machine gets really smart. With just a tap in the app, the PixCut S1 automatically identifies and isolates the object or subject in your image, then prepares it for printing and cutting. Imagine turning a photo of your pet, a scenic shot, or even a logo into a perfectly shaped sticker without manually tracing edges. For artists and small businesses, this feature not only saves time, but also opens up endless creative possibilities. In terms of print quality, the PixCut S1 delivers exceptional results. Using advanced thermal dye-sublimation technology, it produces vibrant 300 dpi prints with over 16 million colors. Every sticker you print is sharp, detailed, and rich in color. Plus, the printer automatically laminates the sticker during printing, giving it a smooth, durable finish. These stickers are waterproof, fade-resistant, and scratch-resistant, ideal for anything from decorating notebooks to branding packaging. And the easy peel backing makes application effortless while allowing repositioning without sticky residue. Cutting precision is another highlight of the PixCut S1. Thanks to its intelligent AI auto-cutting system, stickers are cut with remarkable accuracy, even when working with intricate designs. No more worrying about misaligned cuts or wasting materials. Each sticker comes out crisp, clean, and professional-looking. This level of accuracy makes the PixCut S1 ideal not only for personal use, but also for small businesses producing custom products. Another important factor is the PixCut S1's versatility. It works with glossy photo paper as well as plain paper, supports media sizes up to 4 by 6 inches, and can handle a sheet capacity of up to 72. It connects via Bluetooth, so there's no messy cabling, just a direct connection to your phone or tablet. Whether you're creating stickers for crafts, personalized gifts, branding, or labeling, the PixCut S1 adapts to your needs. The design of the PixCut S1 is also worth noting. It's compact, clean, and minimalist, a device that looks good anywhere, whether on your desk, in a studio, or carried around for projects on the go. It's thoughtfully engineered to make sticker printing easy, fun, and accessible to everyone, from beginners to professional creators. To sum up, the Liene PixCut S1 is more than just a sticker printer. It's a complete creative system. It brings together speed, quality, precision, and innovation in a way that no other machine in its class currently offers. If you're looking to bring your ideas to life with beautifully crafted stickers and labels, whether for fun, art, or business, the PixCut S1 is an investment that pays off in versatility and quality. In today's creative landscape, where customization and personalization matter more than ever, having a tool like the PixCut S1 can make all the difference. It's a device designed to inspire creativity and make producing professional quality stickers easier and more enjoyable than ever before.